Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EDC, coming at you with a little video this morning about a pocket knife put out by Leatherman, called the Leatherman T2. This one's been out for a little while. It's part of the Free series made by Leatherman. They're all supposed to be one-handed opening. This was a gift to me. I didn't purchase it, but I've had it for quite a while, and give me my input on it and what I think about it, and some pros and cons, and show you the features, and maybe it's a tool you might be interested in, or maybe it's one you've used. But anyway, the T2 supports 8 tools. That's what it says on the website. It's got the 420HC knife. It's got a all these can be opened one-handed. It has the awl right here with the sewing notch in it. It's got a little bit of a scraper side on right here. It's got the Phillips driver, two-dimensional Phillips driver with a bottle opener, which that works pretty well. This is a combination tool. It's got a medium flat tip package opener, if you can see that edge on there, and pry bar. Now, this awl also has they're calling this out, the small flat tip on here, which works real well. I've used that quite a bit. Like I said, these are all one-handed opening, and they all lock in place. You have the release here on the side of the tool. You just push that down, and the tool will come back over and lock down. Now, like I said, it's got the they call it the magnetic opening, closing. It's got magnets in the tool. You hear that click when you go down. And I think Leatherman was trying to compete with maybe Victorinox with this. They have also this one called the T4, which is a little bit, has a few more tools on it. Has some scissors and a couple things, but the specs on this is it weighs 3.3 ounces or 93.6 kilograms, and the close length on this is 3.6 inches. The or 93.3 centimeters. The blade length is 2.2, or the cutting edge is right at just a little over 2 inches. The overall thickness is just over half an inch. So it's kind of a thick pocket knife. The width is just under an inch at 0.96 or 2.4 centimeters. They're calling this handle glass filled. I don't know about that. Glass filled nylon. Like I said, this was a gift to me. I didn't purchase it, but right now they're selling on the website for $49.95, $50 US dollars. This was gifted to me by my daughter, and I think when she bought it for me, it was probably maybe $40. She had a little inscription put on it for me, but anyway, some of the things I liked about it, I like the one-handed opening of the knife. And the knife is good. It's a good working knife, you know. I like this combination tool. Really like it for a pry bar. It's really sturdy for a little pry bar to have in your pocket. Don't get much use out of I don't use it much as a flat tip, but it's there if you need it, you know. The awl, I really haven't used it much. I do use the flat tip, the small flat tip on it from time to time. But as far as using the awl for the purpose of being an awl, I haven't used it. And the Phillips driver, you know, it works good. It's nice to have. Got a little bit of a extension on there. And it's lightweight, you know, and the tools lock. So those are all nice things about it. And it's pocketable, but it's a little clunky, you know, it's a little thick. You're going to feel it in your pocket. So not so much that it's heavy, but just the shape of it, you know. And for some people, when I first got this knife, you could not open it with one hand, even though you have to use two hands. Now that I've had it for quite a while, I don't know if it's gotten easier or if I just learned how to do it a little better, but I can pretty much do it with one hand. But it does not come with a clip. Now, if you buy the T4, it comes with a pocket clip. And you see right here, you have the holes pre-drilled for a pocket clip, but it doesn't come with one. And I think for $50, they probably should throw in a pocket clip. That'd be a nice addition to it. Now, for $21, you can get a Victorinox Tinker, which basically has a similar tool set, you know. And like, this isn't a comparison between the two, but it's just, you know, you get your Phillips driver, you get an awl, you know, you get a main blade, a nice main blade. This one's been worn down a little bit, not the original shape, but, and you get a pin blade, you know, and then you're going to get a can opener. You're going to get a small flat tip, and you also get a medium flat tip, and a bottle opener, and a wire stripper. And this brand new, you can get these for $21 right now, or you can take a step up and spend a little. I think this is a Super Tinker, a little thicker, about the same thickness really, actually a little thinner probably, just a hair thinner, but and you get everything that comes in the Tinker, plus you get an additional nice pair of scissors, you know, Victorinox scissors, which are great. I carried the Super Tinker for years and years, man, and I still carry it often, but now I've moved up and got a Swiss Champ, but I carried this Super Tinker, I don't know how long, and I think right now these are still under $30. So probably the biggest gripe I have about this is I think Leatherman overpriced these. Of course, people are buying them, so who's to say, you know, but present company included. But would I have went out and spent $50 on it? If I'd actually seen one and held it in my hand, probably not. I probably wouldn't have done it. Am I glad I have it? Yeah, I'm glad I have it in my collection. And it was a nice gift for my daughter. But if I was going to spend my money, I would just probably spend my money on probably the Super Tinker or the Tinker or something similar to that. Because, you know, and even for, you know, a little bit more money, you could get you a Skeletal, which gives you, you know, it doesn't give you as many tools, but it gives you some useful tools. It's got the pliers. So, or you can get a rebar for, I think they're selling for around $80, I think, on Leatherman's website. But anyway, Uh, this is the Leatherman T2. Would I recommend it? Yes, as far as, it's a good tool, well built, a little bit clunky in the pocket, a little bit thick. It has a nice tool set on it, but, if they added a pocket clip, even with the pocket clip, I still think the price should be around $40, but without the pocket clip, I think it should be even lower, but, like I said, to each his own. Right now they're selling for $50 on the Leatherman website, so you make your own choice on that. Anyway, this was John with Space City EDC with a little look at the Leatherman Free T2 pocket knife. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe. I come out with these videos, try to about once a week. So I'll be coming out more as time goes on, looking at little different things, tools and EDC items, multi-tools and pocket knives, things of that nature. But anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope to see you on the next one. You guys take care. Bye.